Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can basically become a turkey on Dress to Impress. So you will need the hot dog costume, which is here, and then for the texture I'm going to be using this one, and then I'm going to just get these stockings. You can color them like white, but I think I'm going to choose maybe something like that, or like a textured white color here, because obviously bones aren't like super perfect and pristine. Maybe this one, yeah. And then I'm going to use this as well. I'm just going to color that in. Then we will need a pumpkin for, I guess, like the pose later on. I'm just gonna color. I don't think you'll be able to see it anyway, so we're just going to do that. And then we'll also need the fur coat here. Once you're done, you just need to do the upside pose, which I think is under crazy pose pack. And then that is it. You're a turkey leg. Okay, maybe color your skin as well to like a similar color, like that. And that is it for this video. You're a turkey leg. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.